Good morning children. I am your teacher Sandhya ma'am and I welcome you all once again to MPK Girls School online classes. Children, in my previous class I had given you we had started with our book activity and we have completed till question 5 of your book. Now in page number 16 today I will be giving you the question from 6, 7, 8. Three questions I will be giving you and then followed by some book exercises. Question number 6 is Alice was not surprised when she heard the rabbit talking. What do you think this tells us about Alice? Alice was not surprised because she might not have noticed it so deeply. Now next question, question number 7. How far do you think Alice fell? Give reasons for your answer. Alice fell nearly to the center of the earth about 4,000 miles down. Question 8. Who do you think the door that Alice unlocked was meant for? Give reasons. The door that Alice unlocked was meant perhaps for the rabbit as it was only 40 centimeters high. Okay children, now coming to question 1. Question 1 is from each set of words below, circle the odd one out. In every line you will find one odd word which is totally different from other words. That word you have to search and then after searching you have to circle it. Let me read out the words to you. Morning, evening, today, dawn. Newspaper, comics, magazine, notebook. Rabbit, grass, hare, horse. Hole, pit, burrow, nest. Lamp, timepiece, watch, clock. Children, this work I am giving you as homework. You have to do it by yourself and after doing the work you have to send the photograph of this work to me in my mobile number. Second question is fill in the blanks with the correctly spelled words. Here children, blanks are given and three options are given. For example, the first one, the dash hanging in our classroom is designed by our science teacher. The word is calendar. CALENDAR and CALENDAR, CALENDRER. Out of this, which is the correct spelling of calendar? That you have to see and write it in the blanks. Second is I dashed many birthday gifts from my friends. The word is received but three different spellings are given. Which is the correct spelling? See it nicely and then fill it in the blanks. Mrs. Thomas asked us to not dash her while she was teaching. Interrupt is your word. Now again you have to see which is the correct spelling of interrupt and write it in the blank. I dash missed the school bus today. Your word is almost. Alice saw the rabbit in the dash of the story, beginning. Now children, this also I am giving you as homework. This also you have to do by yourself and after completing in the same pattern you have to send the photograph of this work to me in my mobile number. Coming to our last exercise. For each of these sentences, replace the word in italics with the correct spelling. Your sentence is, what does the phrase curiosity killed the cat mean? Here curiosity is written in italics. This spelling is wrong. You have to write the correct spelling of it. The correct spelling of curiosity is CURIOSITY. You can see in the screen I have written that sentence for you. Second one, we have to go to a separate room for the class test. Word in italics is separate. The spelling is wrong. The correct spelling is SEPARATE. Third one, in social studies we learnt about the different types of government. Now the spelling of government is wrong. The correct spelling is GOVERNMENT. Fourth, the hat disappeared from the magician's hand. Word in italics is disappeared. The correct spelling is DISAPPEARED. Disappeared. You have to write the whole sentence in the same way, only the italics word will be changed into the correct word. We are going to Guwahati in February. Word in italics is February. The correct spelling is February, February. Children, this exercise also you have to do it in your notebook. If children you all have started doing this work in your fair notebook, it's very good. The question answers in the which I have given in the first slide 6, 7, 8, and previous to this video, the video in which I have given you all the questions from 1 to 5. All these have to be written fairly in your fair notebook in a very good handwriting. Till we meet the next time, you have to do these homeworks and start learning your question answers. Till then, bye.